In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Zoho account. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting a Zoho account is permanent and affects access to all connected Zoho services. If you have invoices, contacts, files, or reports you might need later, consider exporting or backing them up before you start. Also, make sure you're signed in to the exact Zoho account you intend to delete, especially if you manage multiple organizations or profiles. Start by opening any Zoho app you regularly use. I'm demonstrating from the Zoho Books homepage, but this process is the same from other Zoho apps. Once the app loads, confirm you see the workspace tied to the account you want to remove. Keeping that straight now helps you avoid closing the wrong account or organization later. Look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. It might show your initials or a small avatar image. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. In the menu that appears, select My Account. This takes you out of the specific app and into the central Zoho Accounts area where all your account level settings live. It usually opens in a new tab, so if you don't see it, check your browser tabs. In the Zoho Accounts dashboard, find and click Settings. This is where your preferences, security options, and account controls are grouped. From here, scroll or scan for the Close Account option. It's clearly labeled and specifically designed for account and organization closure, so you won't need to dig through unrelated menus. On the Close Account page, Zoho will show you the choices available. You'll see an option to close only the organization and another to close organization and account. The first option removes an organization but keeps your overall Zoho login active. For this tutorial, we're deleting everything that's tied to this account, so choose Close Organization and Account. After selecting that option, click Proceed. Zoho may display reminders about what will be lost and which services are connected. Read these carefully. If you've kept any subscriptions, trials, or data you still need, this is the right time to pause and resolve those. When you're ready, continue with the process. You'll now move through a couple of confirmation screens. Click Next when prompted, and then click Next again. These screens are designed to make sure you truly intend to close the account and to surface any final details you should be aware of. Take a moment to review what's shown, then continue. Next, Zoho will ask for a reason. Open the Select Reason dropdown and choose the option that best describes why you're closing the account. This feedback helps Zoho improve, but it doesn't change the outcome of your closure. Simply pick the reason that fits your situation and proceed. You'll now see a couple of important acknowledgements. Check the box that states I understand. Then check the box that states I understand and confirm. These confirm you accept the consequences of closing your organization and account, including the loss of access and data associated with them. Make sure you're comfortable with this before continuing. To finish, click Close Org and Account. For security, Zoho may ask you to verify your identity, such as confirming your password or completing two-step verification. Just follow the prompts. Once confirmed, the closure process begins and you'll be signed out. You may also receive a confirmation message or email indicating the account has been closed or queued for closure. After this point, access to your data and services under this account will no longer be available. That's the full process. Open a Zoho app, go to your profile, enter My Account, navigate to Settings, choose Close Account, select Close Organization and Account, proceed through the confirmations, select a reason, acknowledge the warnings, and finalize with Close Org and Account. If you only meant to remove an organization while keeping your login active, remember there was an option for that earlier on the Close Account page. Thanks for watching, and proceed carefully to ensure you close exactly what you intend.